In recent years, the interest in dietary supplements has surged, particularly those designed to support specific health outcomes, such as wound healing. Among these, a supplement that combines hydrolyzed bovine collagen, L-Arginine AGK, L-Glutamine, and a rich array of essential vitamins and minerals stands out. But how exactly do these ingredients interact to enhance the body's natural ability to heal wounds? Today, we'll explore the science behind each component, revealing why this combination is particularly effective. Let's begin with hydrolyzed bovine collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, serving as a fundamental building block for skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. When collagen is hydrolyzed, it's broken down into smaller, more easily absorbed peptides. This form is especially beneficial for wound healing, as it delivers the necessary materials directly to the site of injury, promoting tissue repair and regeneration. Collagen supplementation has been shown to enhance skin elasticity, strength, and hydration, all crucial factors in the wound healing process. Next, we have L-Arginine AGK. L-Arginine is an amino acid that plays a vital role in protein synthesis. It's also a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels. Enhanced circulation is critical for wound healing, since it increases the delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen to the damaged tissues, thus accelerating repair. Arginine's role in collagen synthesis further supports tissue regeneration, making it an essential component of this supplement. L-glutamine, another amino acid included in the formulation, is equally important. This nutrient is a fuel source for rapidly dividing cells, such as those involved in tissue repair and immune response. After an injury, the demand for glutamine in the body increases, and supplementation can prevent deficiency, supporting both muscle tissue recovery and the immune system. By maintaining the structural integrity of cells and promoting new tissue growth, glutamine enhances the body's ability to heal wounds effectively. Complementing these amino acids is a comprehensive blend of vitamins and minerals, each playing a specific role in the wound healing process. Vitamin A palmitate, for instance, is essential for maintaining skin integrity and boosting immune function. It supports epithelial cell proliferation, a critical step in wound closure. Vitamin A also reduces inflammation, minimizing the risk of infection and complications. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is another key player. It is crucial for red blood cell production and DNA synthesis, both of which are vital for tissue repair. A deficiency in B12 can lead to impaired healing and increased risk of infection, underscoring its importance in any wound healing regimen. Vitamin C, well known for its antioxidant properties, is indispensable for collagen synthesis. It assists in the cross-linking of collagen fibers, which is necessary for the formation of strong, resilient tissues. Additionally, vitamin C combats oxidative stress at the wound site, reducing inflammation and enhancing the body's natural healing mechanisms. Vitamin E, another antioxidant, protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. This is particularly important in preventing excessive scar formation and ensuring a smooth healing process. Moreover, vitamin E's anti-inflammatory properties promote faster recovery and reduce swelling around the wound. Vitamin D3 is included for its role in modulating immune response and inflammation. Adequate levels of vitamin D are crucial for preventing chronic inflammation, which can hinder the healing process. Its regulatory effect on the immune system also ensures that the body can effectively ward off potential infections during the vulnerable healing period. Finally, we have zinc picolinate, an incredibly bioavailable form of zinc, essential for various enzymatic reactions related to wound healing. Zinc aids in cell growth, collagen synthesis, and immune function. Its deficiency can severely impair wound healing, highlighting the need for adequate zinc intake, particularly during recovery periods. Together, these ingredients form a powerhouse supplement for supporting wound healing. Each component complements the others, ensuring that all aspects of the healing process are addressed, from cellular regeneration and collagen synthesis to immune function and inflammation control. By understanding the distinct roles each ingredient plays, we gain insight into how this comprehensive formula accelerates recovery and promotes optimal healing. In conclusion, the combination of hydrolyzed bovine collagen, L-Arginine AGK, L-Glutamine, and a broad spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals provides a scientifically backed approach to enhancing wound healing. This blend not only supports the body's natural processes but also optimizes them, ensuring faster and more effective recovery. As science continues to unravel the complex interactions within our bodies, supplements like these offer practical solutions for improving health and well-being, one step at a time.